Okay, so today we have a unboxing of a hard drive. This is what you'd say is a portable hard drive. It's by Seagate. They've got a little brand called Seagate Gaming, but it is a Seagate drive. It is 5 terabytes. And it comes with some rescue software, data recovery services included. It is in a Halo theme. It's marketed as a game drive for Xbox, so a bit of a interesting Master Chief sort of design there from the Halo franchise from Microsoft, with 117 printed on it, and it has RGB lighting there as well. So we'll go ahead and quickly unbox it, plug it in, and see what it looks like when it's running. So on the side here it says it's an add-on storage for your Xbox, and it features high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 connectivity. It's USB powered, no external power supply required, so that is good for portability. You don't need to carry a portable power supply with you. It just runs off the USB. So we'll just open it here. Oh, we have some interesting surprises here. So box to the side, and we have game drive for Xbox, quick start guide. So basically it just says plug it in. I plan to use this as a, not with an Xbox, but with a computer, as just a backup for photos and videos and all that stuff. So it should work fine. Limited warranty, 36-month warranty, which I'll have to confirm, but that's pretty good. And you get some cool Halo stickers to plaster over whatever you want. We've got a bit of backing cardboard here. And here is the drive itself. Just open the clamshell packaging. Put that to the side gently. So packaging done, out the way. We'll open this. So fairly standard. It's about a 30-centimeter cable braided in a green and bronze colorway, which is interesting. So there's the connector that goes into the hard drive. It's the older style USB 3 micro USB connector, so not USB-C unfortunately, and then you have a type A USB 3 connector, so this would go into your PC. So this is the hard drive itself. Oh, it's even got a print on the bottom, which is nice. That is very cool. Don't have the best lighting unfortunately, but this should give you an idea of thickness. It is a 2.5-inch drive, not a 3.5-inch drive. So we will just quickly plug it in here. There we go. And we'll see what the lights look like. So we have a activity light here. And then we have the RGB. I believe this is fully customizable by a software suite, which you should be able to get fairly easily. And I'll just confirm how much actually shows up on the computer once I get my computer sorted, and it is showing as 4.54 terabytes free. And is there any software on it? No, it's just a blank drive, so you're good to basically start using that straight away. I'll have to look at the software for configuring the lighting. Now it is a Shingled Magnetic Recording drive, and I've heard there are some people having issues with this drive. So maybe check that out if that's something you're concerned about. But 36-month warranty, I'm not too concerned.